Hi, good morning, Alex. You're looking at an upgrade, of course, not with regard to the rating, but just with regard to the outlook. It's upgraded from stable to positive, which is the Moody's outlook on Yes Bank. Reasons being, one, they believe that the depositor base as well as the lending franchise will help core profitability going forward. So that's one. Second is capitalization currently looks healthy, and that will likely fund growth as well. So there's some comfort around that. But most importantly, it's with regard to profitability. They believe operating profit metrics are going to improve quite dramatically for Yes Bank. So now, just with regard to operating profit metrics, currently operating profit to assets is at 0.8%. It's expected to improve to 1.2% in coming quarters. And therefore, there is positivity that maybe in the next 12 to 18 months that may happen. Reasons for that: one, priority sector lending rules. Now they're going to start meeting those rules. Therefore, OPEX and expenditure with regard to purchasing this PSL will reduce. Second is with regard to overall OPEX just on branches, etc. That will also come off. Higher yielding loans is what Yes Bank will do, and therefore improve margins as well as operating metrics. And last off, with regard to credit costs, that's post operating profit as well, they believe that credit costs will get knocked off by recoveries coming through. Very positive overall, at least the Moody's note seems to suggest. It also indicates that likely there may be a rating upgrade as well in store in the next 12 to 18 months if some of these metrics start to play out.
All right. Smriti, you want to take?
Yes. Yeah. On that note, thank you so much, Harsh. On that note, let me introduce you to the guests for today. We have Mr. G. Chokalingam, founder and MD of Economics Research, along with Kunal Rambhia, fund manager at The Streets. Welcome to both of you, and thanks for joining in on the show today. Coming straight to you, Mr. Chokalingam, Yash pointed out so many reasons why the stock might be, from a longer term perspective, all the fundamentals seem to be improving for Yes Bank now. How are you viewing it, and is it a good time to get into the stock considering all the positives that might play out?
Yeah, I looked at Yes Bank balance sheet and operating performance in the recent quarters. It looks good. The pain has come down in terms of the quality of assets. It's able to maintain some growth also in business. In terms of price to adjusted book value also, it's a very comfortable level now. So investors who can wait for more than a year definitely can consider Yes Bank.
Yeah, that's a fair point. Do you want to weigh in, Kunal, on the price action in Yes Bank? It's up about 5% or thereabouts in trade today. But somebody looking to initiate a long position in Yes Bank, is that favorable?
Hi, Alex. Thanks for having me on the show. So if you look at the Yes Bank overall performance since 2020, this counter has not really crossed 28.5 to 30 kind of zone since 2020. It's been almost 4 years now. And we always prefer to invest in the counters which are in trending nature, right? So far, I don't foresee any new rally emerging at present levels. From short-term perspective, one can certainly think of initiating a buy today with the stop loss of 25 and the target of 30. But from long-term perspective, I'll wait comfortably for the counter to cross about 30 and then initiate a buy on every decline after that. Till then, I'll avoid this counter.